Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable safe unplug behavior to prevent charge port damage, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable safe unplug behavior, start by locating your device's settings menu. Open the settings app on your device. Scroll down to find the battery or power section. In the battery menu, look for an option labeled advanced or charging settings. Select this option to view more settings related to charging. You may find a setting called Safe Disconnect or Unplug Behavior. Toggle this option to on to enable safe unplug behavior. If your device has USB preferences, access this menu as well. In USB preferences, look for any settings relating to data transfer or charging only. Select charging only to prevent any data transfer while charging. Now, head back to the main settings screen to ensure changes are saved. Make sure to check for any software updates that may enhance this feature. If software updates are available, proceed to download and install them. Once the update is complete, restart your device for the changes to take effect. Your device is now configured to prevent charge port damage when unplugged. Practice unplugging the charging cable gently by pulling it straight out from the port. Avoid yanking or pulling at an angle to further protect the charge port. Regularly inspect the charging port for any dust or debris accumulation. Keep the charging cable undamaged and free from kinks to ensure proper function. By following these steps, you'll help prolong the life of your device's charging port. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.